Well, it's finally time to upgrade my GPS. I've been using my little Garmin eTrex 20 for, I think, before I even had a YouTube channel. It's been on many of my ATVs, my Grizzly 660, my 700. Dad's used it with his Rhino. I've used it with this X3. It's seen literal tens of thousands of kilometers between all of the machines that I've had. I used to have a motorcycle too. It came with me on some motorcycle trips. But it's very long in the tooth. There's really not too much you can do about it, and the screen on it is tiny. It's like 3.5 inches by 3.5 square. It's very tiny to use. So I think it's time to upgrade. So as you can see here, I bought this. It's brand used. Technically it's new, but it's not installed, but brand new, but it's used. I bought it at Facebook Marketplace. That place is a... Boy, that's something. Anyway, picked that up. I did end up buying a brand new Samsung tablet. This is the A9 Samsung tablet. Cheap. It's the international version. Doesn't even list Canada as a country on there. Whatever. It was like $143 or something like that. So I think this little Garmin was like $400, $300 or $400 when I first bought it years and years and years ago. And then you have to buy maps and yada yada. So anyway, it's time to upgrade. I'm just going to pop this thing on. I'm sure if you guys want to learn how to put these things on your X3 or whatever side-by-side that you have, it's not that hard. It's literally like 3 to 4 steps. You got to pop this little cover off here, screw it down, install the strips to make everything fit nice and tight, and then Bob's your uncle. And voila, here we have just a basic tablet setup. I mean, it's kind of nice that you can still access some storage in here too. Kind of neat little thing. And this is a genuine BRP accessory. This is not like a Moto or anything like that. It's just, anyway, it is what it is. You can find these things pretty cheap anywhere, including the tablet. I just found that on Amazon. So what this is just a basic car launcher app. It's nothing special. Again, it's just something free I found on Google Play Store. This is an Android tablet, so if anything that I'm telling you about today doesn't work for you on your Apple device, do your own research, man. I'm sorry, I only know Android. But this is kind of a nice little setup here. If you want, you can rig up some music. It's got a little music player. This you can record your voice. I've got that linked up. Basically, all of these things here will link up to certain applications within your tablet. And whatever else you need to access, you can actually just go to this little corner thing. Oops, this little corner thing right here, and it'll take you to all your apps. So, anyway, for GPS, I use Polaris Ride app. I'm used to it. It works well. It's free. You do have to set up an account. You can plan rides. It's got maps already, installed with kind of a satellite overview. It's got generalized areas you can go for either ATV or snowmobiling. You can plan routes. You can use offline maps, which is really neat. So I mean, it's free. I know there's a lot of other ones out there like Onyx Off-Road, Lifetime Trail Maps. What's the other popular one out there? Backcountry Navigator. So that is, I looked at them all. For this, I'm just going to stick with Polaris Ride app for now. Yeah, so it's pretty neat. I like the fact you can use it as offline mode. Anybody else who uses Polaris Ride app, which is kind of neat because you can see where they are at on the map too. So, and you don't have to have a Polaris machine with the built-in screen in it. But it's kind of neat. I also have along here, I've got a GPX file viewer, so if for some reason this isn't working, I have a secondary GPS to run. My GPS here, I can still run it off of my little center console here, or I can use, I can rig up my cell phone, and that's what I've had there for a while. But this kind of takes over everything that my cell phone was doing, so I don't even need this, but this is nice to have. So I've got my little BRP heated glove app in here. I can just click on that and it'll bring me up to my temperature settings for my heated gloves when I have those on in the wintertime. If I'm connected to Wi-Fi anywhere, which I can actually hotspot my phone to get to Wi-Fi and use this instead of my phone, which is a nice wider screen. Kind of neat. You do have local weather, providing that you have some data. This is not a cellular capable tablet. It only runs off of Wi-Fi. So sometimes stuff like this, like your weather won't work. You can actually change this little center thing to a compass if you want. Speedometer, which works off of your GPS. So it's kind of neat. The other thing I do have in here that can be kind of handy is I've got a link to my document center inside of this tablet. So I have a full Maverick X3 service manual I've got downloaded on here if I'm out somewhere on the trail, if I'm on a vacation somewhere and machine breaks down, I need to get some advice on how to fix something. I've got my owner's manual in here to reference anything that I need. The owner's manual you can find online. I found that service manual online. It's for an older X3. I think the service manual is for like a 2017 or something like that, but it still works because they haven't really changed anything minus a couple parts. So, and this is kind of handy. I created a document with all of my engine oils, what it takes, all of my torque specs, what all they are, the front diff, what that takes, the transmission, clutch primary retaining bolt, front knuckles, trigger trailing arms, lubricants, all that kind of stuff. So it's all in my tablet for reference, quick reference. So anyway, super quick video. Just, I wanted something a little bit different. We'll find out how waterproof this case is. It's probably not going to be very waterproof. I might have to figure out some way to kind of plug up some of the side holes, like where the speakers and stuff are, especially this front-facing camera, but whatever. It is what it is. We'll work there. We'll work at it as we need it. But anyway, it's solid in there. It's not going to go anywhere. That's rocking the whole tablet mover, or whole tablet holder. So anyway, it works. Hopefully gives you some ideas. I like it. We'll see you out in the trail. Raw Guy out.